Hi, I would like to guide you to room 48.
Hello, good afternoon.
I would like to ask for your green card, passport, any state-issued ID or driver's license. I will bring these to the USCIS officer in the other room, and once your interview is done, these will be returned to you as well. Please follow me. Please place your things beside your chair and continue to stand. For your written test, you'll be given an option to write it on the paper, next to the printer, or use the pen for the iPad. Do you want to use the iPad or digital tablet?
Yes,
If there will be a problem with the connection, the interviewing officer will just give you instructions on what to do. You can already see the USCIS officer who will interview you through the iPad. I'll close the door and you can now remove your face mask.
Hi, my name is Officer Hopkins. I'm the immigration officer who will conduct your naturalization interview. Do you swear that the statements you'll give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes, I do.
Have a seat, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Let's start with your eligibility, then information about you. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Why did you apply for American citizenship?
Yes, I do. I like how the US government is protecting people's freedom.
Are you eligible to become a US citizen?
Yes. I have been a lawful permanent resident for about 7 years.
How did you acquire your green card?
I received my USCIS green card through marriage.
How long did you have your green card?
For about 8.5 years.
What's your full name on your permanent resident card?
Paul Wagner Schneider.
Would you want to legally change your name?
No, sir.
Your other names used since birth, like nicknames.
No, sir.
What's your social security number?
807-684254.
What's your country of citizenship?
Germany.
Are you requesting for accommodations because of a disability?
No, officer.
When is your birthday?
October 20, 1991.
What's your phone number in case we contact you?
732-124-8865.
Are you ready for the civics test?
Yes, I am.
Let's start the history and government test. What is the rule of law?
Everyone must follow the law.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
In what month do we vote for president?
November.
Why did the colonists fight the British?
Because they didn't have self-government.
Who vetoes bills?
The president.
What is the one reason colonists came to America?
Religious freedom.
You passed the USCIS civics test. Let's proceed to the reading and writing tests. I'll say a sentence and write it down on the tablet.
Yes.
Thanksgiving is in November. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
When do we celebrate Thanksgiving Day?
You passed the USCIS reading and writing tests. We'll continue to your residence information. What's your present mailing address?
7102 William Street, Omaha, Nebraska 78146.
How long have you lived at this address?
About 6 years since I came to the US.
Are you still living at the same address?
Yes.
Is one of your parents a US citizen?
No, officer.
What's your ethnicity?
German or European?
How tall are you?
5 feet and 10 inches.
Your hair color?
Black.
Your eye color?
Brown.
Your weight?
190 pounds.
Do you have a job?
Yes. I diagnose and treat problems with my patients' teeth and gums. I advise patients for teeth and gum care for oral health.
How many times have you left the US in the past 5 years?
4 trips.
When did you leave and return to the US on your last trip?
Left second week of April, returned last week of May.
What's the total days you've been outside the US for the past 5 years?
For about 85 days.
What's the purpose of your travel?
We attended the 30th wedding anniversary of my parents.
Let's continue about your marital history. Are you single, married, divorced, or widowed?
I'm married.
What's the name of your current spouse?
Emma Schneider.
How many times have you been married?
Once, officer.
How many times has your spouse been married?
Once also, officer.
Is your spouse a US citizen?
Yes.
When and where did you get married?
July 8, 2016 at Hilton, Omaha.
Please show me your marriage certificate.
Yes, officer.
Please hold your paper up and show it through the screen's camera. I'll just capture a screenshot so that I can add it on your application. What's your spouse's occupation?
She works as a computer and information system manager.
Do you have any children?
Not yet, officer. My wife recently got pregnant.
That's great.
Thank you, sir.
I'll ask you questions from the N400 form. Have you ever claimed to be a US citizen?
No.
Have you ever used any weapon to hurt any person?
No.
Have you ever recruited any person under 15 years old to help an armed group or in combat?
No, sir.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No.
Have you ever registered to vote in any U.S. election?
No, officer.
What is your understanding when you can hear these words? Insurgent organization.
Group of people that use weapons to fight the government.
Have you been a member of any guerrilla or rebel group, vigilante citizen, or police unit, militia, or insurgent organization?
No, sir.
Have you ever committed a crime or offense?
No, officer.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any officer?
No, never.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, I have not.
Have you sold or smuggled narcotics or illegal drugs?
No, never.
Explain the meaning of this word. Perjury.
The crime of telling a lie under oath.
Have you ever given fraudulent information to any officer for immigration benefit?
No, sir.
Have you ever been deported from the U.S.?
No, never.
Have you ever sold or provided any weapon to any person?
No.
Have you been involved in not letting someone practice a religion and forcing someone in sexual relations?
No, never.
Have you ever received any military, paramilitary, or weapons training?
No, I have not.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government in the U.S.?
Yes.
And are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the U.S.?
Yes, I am.
Are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the U.S.?
Yes.
Are you willing to do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I am.
Do you promise that everything you've said is true?
Yes.
Please review your application and check if everything is right.
These are all correct, officer.
If everything is correct, please sign it. I'm submitting your application for approval.
Thank you, officer.
Congratulations. I hope to see you at your naturalization oath ceremony.